Hi everyone, hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Grand Hyatt Hotel in Singapore. This is going to be a 3-day, 2-night staycation because my family, we bought a promotion at just $260 for this 3-day, 2-night stay. And before we actually jump into today's video, I would just like you guys to note that at this point of filming, December 27th, Grand Hyatt is actually undergoing some renovations right now. So the pool is actually one of the facilities that is undergoing renovation. Hence, it is actually not open. So instead, the hotel has actually decided to make the mini bar complimentary. So all the drinks and all the snacks are free. So that was a really nice gesture by them. So we're already off to a good start. So let's see how good is Grand Hyatt. So right behind me is actually the mini bar area that I'm going to show you guys. Over here is actually where the fridge is kept. And because the mini bar was made complimentary, these 6 cans are complimentary. Below this is another space for storage. Over here is actually where the snacks should be. There was one set of Pringles here, which were already consumed, as well as this chocolate bar. Below is where you can find your ice bucket, some tissues. This is where you can get your coffee, tea, as well as some sugars down here. And this bottom should be just more storage. Over here is where you can find your glasses, your cups. This is actually given by the hotel, which I find cute. It's actually meant for Chinese tea, although we're not making any right now. And this is where you can find the kettle. So that's going to be it for the mini bar area. Now moving on, this is the work desk, which is pretty spacious, even for a single person, just to catch up on some work. Very nice material for the table here. This is where you can find the telephone, as well as a QR code you can scan for 24/7 assistance. They even provide sanitizer wipes. Over here is where you can find the various plugs as well as more storage. And what I like about this hotel is there are actually 2 televisions, one in the living hall and one in the bedroom area. But this is what the living hall looks like first. A wonderful large L-shaped couch. It can easily accommodate 3, no problem. And a nice marble oval shaped table that can be used for dining or for some snacks. And check out the view I have. We're on a low floor. This is level 5. The hotel rooms begin from level 4. So this is the second lowest level, but the view is already not too bad, so I can't put it to blame. Alright, so I'm standing right in front of the door that separates the living area from the bedroom area. So right behind me is this ginormous king bed, which is actually just two singles put together, but still it's a really comfortable bed. I like the two side lights, it makes it look really warm in here. And the bedroom has the same view. In fact, I think this view is enhanced because of the flags here. So that plays a contribution as well. You have two side tables. This is the wardrobe, which houses the robes for the swimming pool, which unfortunately is under renovation, so I won't get to use these. There is an ironing board as well as an iron here. So moving on, a nice mirror to check yourself out with this wonderful design, and here is where you can put your luggage or just store some of your items. Here are 6 drawers which I haven't opened. Let's see what they have in here. We have brushes, and this is for the laundry if you like to apply for laundry services. There are many bags as well as some slippers. Moving on, I believe the rest of these should be empty. And what I do like is that these drawers are soft close. So that is really nice as well. And that's going to be it for the bedroom area. This is where you can control the light. So press it once, it just turns off all the lights. So press it again, it turns everything on. Beautiful. And this is where the bathroom is located. Let's have a look. So immediately when you enter, you will see the ginormous bathtub right in front of you. This is really big and very generous for a bathtub. Over here is where you can put all the necessary things that you would need to shower. And this is where you can put the towels. A beautiful, nice, large size mirror here. I also really love this marble material that they have used for the wall. This is where you can find the toilet bowl, or I would say the water closet. It even comes with a dustbin. And a nice painting over here. It's alright, that's where the tissue paper is located if you don't have enough. Shower area. Unfortunately, my family, we didn't really use this. In fact, we haven't even used a standing shower area while we were here because we were so happily enjoying the bathtub. So it comes with a normal handheld shower, a rain shower. So turning right around, this is where you find the sink area. We have the body lotion right here, as well as a soap bar, toothpaste, more body wash, conditioner, shampoo, as well as another soap bar. And an interesting design to the sink is that it's actually tilted slightly downward. So if you spill any water around here, it will still flow down into the sink. So that was an awesome design. This is where you can find the 2 cups for brushing your teeth, as well as facial tissue. Yeah, which can be opened right here. This is where you can charge shavers, and there is a nice light that complements the bathroom. Down here is where you can find the hair dryer, which has already been connected, so it's ready to use, as well as this. It's a little box. So let's see what it contains. Oh wow, there is a lot of things in here. 2 sets of toothbrush and toothpaste. We have sanitizer wipes, a sanitary bag, bath salt, another soap bar, as well as a shower cap. That is very generous by them. So just take note, guys, if you need any of these, it will be located here. You have a dustbin down here as well as a weighing scale. So the 2 lights here, let's turn off the left one and see what it turns off. So it turns off the main light. When I turn off the second one, it turns off the lights in the standing shower and the water closet. So that's going to be it for the bathroom. This is probably one of the biggest bathrooms that I have seen in any hotel. It is clean, spotless, very well maintained. I really like it. One of these side tables where you can find 2 charging points. We have the master and nightlight button, as well as a charging station for 230 volts only. So if you turn off the master, it's actually the same as this button right here for bedroom. Nightlight is for this light down here. So if I turn it off, it turns off. This hotel, in the bedroom and the living area, it actually comes with a ledge. It's honestly not big enough to be a bay window, but it's still better than nothing. I can still maybe sit here and enjoy the views right out the window. Okay, here is one complaint that I have about this living area. It's actually the reading light. So if you guys were to follow me, this is how you control the reading light. It's right by the bed. So yes, it is convenient to use, but here's what's bad about it. I have to push it first in order to turn it. So just turn, it will turn on. And the reading light, which is really far away from the bed, has turned on. And
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
One thing to note, guys, is that this reading light is not adjustable, so it's just left where it is, which means you can only control the intensity of the light. You can't really control how you want to angle the light so that it will suit your comfort. And one more bad thing is this reading light is actually shining for this person on this side of the bed. So technically this reading light is meant for someone who wants to sit here and read. And the bad thing would be that you would need to ask the person here to help you adjust the intensity of the light in order for you to, let's say, read. So that is a little inconvenience there.
The next day.